Welcome back to the Uprise, where we are rising up together for positive change. So in this video I wanted to talk about 10 helpful tips to help you save money while you're at home. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. I want to know what you're thinking. Alright, and these are in no particular order, so if it seems like something's a little more important, it's just they're not going to be in order. First one I'd like to talk about is unplugging your devices that are not in use. So if you have a kitchen appliance that's plugged in that you recently used, but you're not currently using it, go ahead and unplug that, because that power cord is actually still drawing energy out of the wall. Anything that leaves your outlet into a device is costing you extra money, and you don't need that. So I focus on that quite a bit, where I'll make sure if I'm done with something, I unplug it, because it will draw extra energy and cost you extra money. Number two, economize your purchasing. So you want to take advantage of couponing, take advantage of purchasing off brands that maybe you're not accustomed to, but the price is a lot better for your wallet right now. You can also take advantage of couponing groups on platforms such as Facebook and different things like that. There are also local sellers who will have bulk items and typically will be available at a lower rate. Be cautious and be safe out there. Keep that social distancing though. Tip number three, manage your heating and air conditioning. So that's something that can be easily forgotten about. Let's say you're enjoying the nice weather recently. You can open your windows and enjoy the nice air, but then suddenly the temperature shifts just slightly, but you're still okay with it inside. However, your heater's like, bruh, I gotta heat the whole neighborhood now. So just keep that in mind, because managing that heating or air conditioning will be very helpful for you. Another option is buying in bulk, and obviously that makes a lot of sense. Typically when you buy a larger amount of something, you're going to get a better cost on that. You can even partner with your friends or family and buy in bulk together and then share. That can actually be quite handy, partnering with your family and friends to do that. So another option is save your recycling. So cans and bottles can actually save up over time and be worth quite a bit. So it's always handy to keep those nearby and then turn them in as needed. You can even take that and just kind of stockpile it, and then you'll have a nice little nest egg over here that you didn't realize you had till later on. Another option is bartering or trading for services. So if you have something that somebody else wants or needs, and they have something that you want or need, you guys could work out a deal where you're trading services to help each other out. Obviously, stay safe, stay distant. You can work things out via video chat or whatnot. And these transactions that I'm talking about, they don't have to be totally in person where you're putting yourself at risk, okay? So another option is consolidate your spending and be very vigilant about it. So you might consider canceling the subscription services that aren't necessarily needed, maybe reducing the amount that you have, or switching service providers so that you get a similar benefit with a lower cost. Over time, these options can add up, so it's good to kind of look at that and say, ooh, yeah, let's adjust. Next tip would be looking at your overall budget every month versus your income, and really outlining everything that's coming in versus everything that's going out. Now that's really good to do because it lets you see the big picture and lets you understand, whoa, hey, we gotta slow it down over here because we're spending too much money. So definitely take time to do that, and it takes a little bit of practice to get into, but once you start seeing those numbers and realizing how much money is going out the door, it might make you want to do that forever. But the benefit of that is that it'll allow you to then reduce what you're actually spending and start saving more. So, and that leads right into the next tip, which is start your own personal savings or start a money stash so that you can over time put money into this, and eventually you'll have a nice surprising nest egg available. A nice emergency fund for whatever you may need. You can set up a savings account to do that, or something that can be very helpful is just putting cash into some kind of little safe that you have or something like that. The mental, physical, and putting away money kind of helps sometimes. So, and it'll also help you from wanting to spend it, because you're putting all that work into keeping it safe, putting money into it, doing the work. So, and last but not least, the final tip: don't eat or order out. Don't do it. Ordering out food or going out and eating at a restaurant, even if you're able to nowadays, drive-thrus, it will be more costly overall and unhealthy. When you really take a look at how much you spend eating out versus how much you spend at the grocery store, it can kind of be scary. I don't know your habits, but I know from my own personal experience that that can get away from you pretty easily. You're like, I'm tired, I don't want to make food tonight, let's just order out. So when you really stop and put the brakes on that and realize how much money that actually costs, you can end up saving quite a bit. And you can put that towards healthier food options that'll keep you and your family safer and healthier for longer. Alright, if you guys found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. Slap that bell notification so that YouTube will notify you of the next release. Leave a like and a comment down below. I want to know what you guys are thinking right now. I want to know what you're going through. I want to know topics that we can cover together. I know eventually we will get through this hardship, just as we always do. And we will continue to rise up together. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. For emergency funds or whatever. Cool. Just have this thing flop around down here. Great. I'm adjusting this shot in the middle of recording. So on this channel we talk about